Alright, well, hello everybody. Welcome to the HCBB IPU opening day. Well, apparently, so the scheduling was just a slight off. Supposed to start at 8. I thought it was going to be starting at 9. But, well, here we are now. We're in the 4th inning here. San Francisco taking on Minnesota here for opening day of the IPU. So, kind of having to just get things together right now. So, just give me a second while I do that. There we go. Okay. Alright, so... Okay, I'm still trying to just get things together at the moment. We'll focus on the game in just a second. And, okay. Alright. Think now we should be good to go. With everything, I think, hopefully, maybe, possibly. Okay, so... 1, 2... Oh, that's what inning. Oh. Let's see, the bottom of the 4th, okay. Bottom of the 4th, 1 out. San Francisco is up to bat. Okay. Think everything is set now. Okay, so here we go. 1-0. And big hit out left. This ball is going to be foul, though. So now 1-1 count here for San Francisco. Still tied at nothing. Oh, predictions, yeah. Let's do those two. And okay, so now we get a 2-2 count here for San Francisco. 1 out. I'll check who's on the mound here in just a second. 2-2. This one's gonna be outside. We got a complete. We got a 3-2-1 count. Gio, I believe, is the name of the pitcher who is on the mound. So it's the 3-2-1 count. You know, Gio is at the plate. He'll just go down swinging. It'll be Void is on the mound. Okay. We're figuring things out. We're figuring it out. Now, okay, so Zoe to the plate. He's got a 1-0 count here. 1-0. Pitch. That one gonna be sent high right center. Ball well dropped. Base hit for San Francisco. And it will be a double. Yep, it will be a double. He holds up. Q Joker to the plate here for San Francisco. And we'll swing at the first pitch right there. 0-1. This one going to be in the dirt. Now it's 1-1 on the count. So 1-1. Runner at second swung on. Now it's 1-2. And we finally got pinged. Okay, I think we're good. 1-2. The pitch. This one high. Looked at ball 1. No, ball 2. So here we go. It is 2-2 on the count here to Q Joker. The 2-2 pitch. This one inside. Looked at. That'll be strike 3. Top of the 5th. And it's still 0-0 here from San Francisco. Minnesota to the plate. At the mound, it's Hawkman. This first pitch going to be swung on. Going to drop in right field. It'll be a base hit. And going to throw it into first. Here's Roy. So Hawkman pitching. All right, here we go. Roy to the plate here, or Peter Griffin, as it would seem to me. First pitch. This one going to be inside the zone. 0-1. Here's the 0-1 pitch to Roy. Outside check swing. It'll be ball 1. 1-1 count here to Roy. 1-1. Here's the pitch. This one high. High and inside will be looked at for ball 2. So it's 2-1 here to Roy. No outs. He's got a man on first. 2-1. This one inside. Swung on by Roy. Going to be back on the warning track. It's down off the wall. They're going to get it in. And runner going to be safe at third. So runners hold up at the corners. Nope. Actually, Roy goes to second for a double. 2 runners in scoring position. Erratic at the plate for Minnesota. No outs. Here we go. Zach. We'll look at the first pitch right there, 1-0. Erratic Zach. Hawkman, he's got 2 runners in scoring positions. He's got to get his team some outs. 1-0. Here's the pitch. Outside, swung on. Right to third. Runner holds up. Got to get the throw to first. It's high, but that'll be out number 1. Flying football player to the plate. So San Francisco gets their first out. We'll see what the Jailbirds can make this work. When we looked at right there, strike 1. On flying football player. The 0-1, this one high, swung on, strike 2. So flying football has got an 0-2 count. And here's the pitch. And this one popped up to third. And will be caught for out number 2. Here's Flower. So here we go. First pitch to Flower, high, ball 1. And one swung on by Flower. That'll be 1-1 now. So now 1-1 on the count here to Flower. This one swung on out to center. Center fielder is there. It'll be caught. So San Francisco able to avoid any potential scores that inning. We go to the bottom of the 5th. It's still 0-0 here from San Francisco. Armed Robloxian will be leading off here in the bottom of the 5th for San Fran. And Void staying on the mound for the Blizzards. Here we go, first pitch. This one going to be low, just going to miss the zone. 1-0 for Armed. 1-0, the pitch. This one inside again, 2-0. On the count. This one inside again, now 3-0. Here we go, 3-0 on the count here to Armed. And the pitch, that one will get in the zone, make it 3-1. So now it's a 3-1 count here to Armed. 3-1, the pitch. This one, that one foul, so now it's a full count. Full count here to Arm. This one swung on to left center. Is going to drop for a base hit for the Jailbirds. All the way back at the wall. And gonna get to 2. So it'll be a double for the Jailbirds. Little Pity to the plate. So runner at second, no outs for San Francisco. Here's pitch, Little Pity. This one just going to get low and inside on the zone. It's 0-1. 0-1 on the count here to Little Pity. Here's the pitch. Again low, will miss the zone. It's 1-1. 1-1 on the count. This one swung on. Now 1-2 on the count to Pity. 1-2 the pitch. High. 2-2 now on the count. We still have the stalemate. Who will be getting their first run? This one outside, now full count on Pity. 3-2. The pitch. Swung on. Up the middle. Second baseman there, Roy, who will get the out. Runner does advance to third. So now 1 out. Runner at third. Medic man to the plate. Base hit should drive in that run for San Francisco. Here we go. First pitch to Medic man. This one swung on. 0-1. 0-1 on the count here to Medic. Here's the pitch. This one high, looked at. 1-1 on the count. One the pitch. This one swung on again by Medic. Now it's 1-2. Here's the 1-2 pitch. This one inside. It's going to be a sacrifice bunt with no catcher. So the Jailbirds going to score their first run, but they threw the ball. No one's home, guys. So a sacrifice bunt turned into a double for San Francisco in the first run of the ball game. Hammond Bread to the plate. I don't know why he would throw that one there. Here's the first pitch. This one swung on and foul. 0-1. 0-1 on the count here to Hammond Bread. Swung on inside. Now it's 1-2. One-two high. Gonna be swung on for strike 3. Here's Hawkman to the plate. 2 outs. Runner at second. But the Jailbirds did get their first run of the game. In a very unique way, to say the least. Hawkman gonna send this one out left foul. So now it'll be 0-1. 0-1 on the count here to Hawkman. And the pitch. This one outside, just going to miss. 1-1 on the count to Hawkman. 1-1, the pitch. Inside. Right again. 2-1 on the count. Wolfie, shut up. 2-1. Here's the pitch. This one, oh, that one will clip the outside part of the zone. It's 2-2. 2-2 count to Hawkman. Here we go. 2-2 the pitch. This one high, swung on, strike 3. Top of the 6th. Jailbirds lead 1-0 over the Blizzards here on opening day. Yes, Wolfie. Yes, you should. And, man, you really got to be saying that. Why'd you have to say that of all things? Saka Dreams to the plate here. Will lead off for Minnesota in the top of the 6th. Here we go. First pitch to Saka. Here's the pitch. This one high. Going to be swung on for strike 1. 0-1 in the count to Soccer Dreams. 0-1 the pitch. This one inside, just going to miss the zone. 1-1. Now we got a 1-1 count to Soccer Dreams. Here's the pitch. Outside, swung on, strike 2. One-two count. And the pitch. Looked at for strike 3. Legendary Loki Buster to the plate. We'll see what Legendary can do. 1 out. Minnesota still in search of their first run. Here's the first pitch. This one outside, swung on. 0-1 on the count here. Legendary. And the pitch. Inside, swung on. That'll be strike 2. Oh-2 on the count. The pitch. High pop straight up into the sky. And this one is caught for out number 2. And it's going to throw the ball to the outfield. So here comes Void for a pitcher's duel. Now I'm really hoping someone sends one into right for a home run. You know, I just like to see a ball in the water. But that might just be me. 2 outs. First pitch to Void, going to be high and looked at for ball 1. I really doubt that's just me that wants to see that. And this one going to be popped up here. And right to shortstop, it'll be caught for out number 3. So bottom of the 6th. And San Francisco, still leads 1-0. Alex Plays will be leading off here. Here we go, first pitch to Alex. This one going to be low for ball 1. Well, now this one sets up high into right center. Are they going to be able to get there in time? No, it'll be a base hit. Potentially a double sliding into the second base. And it'll be a leadoff double for the San Francisco Jailbirds. Gio to the plate. Let's see what Gio can do. Runner already in scoring position. First pitch, this one outside, swung on. It's going to be a bloop into left. Another base hit. I think the third baseman not paying attention. It'll be a single for the Jailbirds. What happened to the OBS on my end? And here we go, popped up here. This one going to drop again. And that one will load up the bases for San Francisco. So bases loaded, Q Joker to the plate, no outs for Minnesota. So the Blizzard are going to need to do something here. So here we go. First pitch to Q Joker, inside, swung on for strike 1. Here we go, the 0-1. This one, and then clip the zone, lower part of the zone right there. Now it's 0-2 to Q Joker. 0-2, the pitch. Looked at for ball 1. 1-2 now in the count. Here we go, 1-2, the pitch. Swung on for strike 3. Now the Blizzards, they do still have the bases loaded around them. So they got to be careful with that. As one base hit, or even a deep hit out to the outfield is going to drive in some runs. First pitch to Arm, just going to clip the lower part of the zone for strike one. 0-1 on the count here to Armed. And the pitch. Check swing, but they're going to say he went. It's 0-2. The pitch. In the same spot. This one not going to leave the infield. Out at second and first. They turn the double play and get out of it. Top of the 7th. So this, I believe, will be the 7th inning stretch. Well, since we didn't get a chance to do it at the start of the stream, might as well do it now. Do some advertising for the YouTube channel. Subscribe to it if you've not done so already. I'd really appreciate it if you did so. And the TikTok, if you've not followed me over on TikTok, I'd greatly appreciate it if you did so as well. As right now, the San Francisco Jailbirds lead 1-0 here in the IPU's opening day of Season 5. Well, you know, Migs, I'd like to stream the main league again. I would like to. But I'm not allowed to. And we'll just leave it at that. Let me just look at something real quick. Roy will lead off here in the top of the 7th. Just because I'm curious, I want to see. And okay, Roy will start with a 1-0. Yeah, it's been this will be going on 3 years since the last main league HCBB game I've streamed. Roy hits this one out to right and will be caught in the right field for out number 1. So here comes Zach to the plate here for the Blizzards. Here we go. First pitch to Zach. Swung, going to be swung on right back to the pitcher. Is anybody going to get there in time? Yes, Zach beats the throw. That'll be a single for the Blizzards. Stop. What do you think? What's it look like? It's flying football to the plate. And flying football, look at strike one. No, ball one, excuse me. So 1-0 on the count here to flying. 1-0, here's the pitch. This one swung on, and oh, the third baseman! Look at a turn 2! And they get the double play and get out of it. What a play from the Jailbirds. Right off the bat, it looked, I'm pretty sure that was the third baseman. It might have been shortstop who made that double play. Now here's Pitty to the plate. Bottom of the 7th will be strike one. Oh, 1, here's the pitch. Look at inside. 1-1 now in the count. 1-1, the pitch. This one swung on again, now 1-2. 1-2, the pitch. High, popped up. It's going to drop fair, but it'll be out number 1. Here comes Medic Maine to the plate. So 1 out. First pitch to Medic. This one gonna drop in right field. Base hit, but the first baseman not there. They could have potentially been able to maybe throw the ball in. And my mouse decided to glitch on me, so. Yeah, mouse kind of stuck here. So now it's 2-2 on the count here to Ham. 2-2 the pitch. In the dirt now, 3-2, 3-0. I think I said 2-2. But it's 3-0 on the count here to Ham. 3-0. This one looked at for strike one. 3-1 the pitch. Swung on, and this one is going to be foul. The mouse is just glitched, I guess. I don't know what happened to it. 3-2, and looks at it for strike three. So here's Hawkman to the plate, and he'll swing at the first pitch right there. 0-1 now on the count. And will be looked at right there by Hawkman, and 1-1. And this one swung on by Hawk. 1-2. 1-2 pitch. This one looked at 2-2. And it's an outside. We've got the complete full count here to Hawkman. Here we go. Complete full count. Pitch. Swung on for strike three. Top of the eighth. I gotta escape just to use my freaking mouse normally. So Flower will be leading off here in the top of the eighth. And it looks like we might be seeing a pitching change. Alright, well, while we've got this delay here, let me see if I can reset my character. That's maybe fix the mouse. Nope, it did not. The mouse just stuck. I don't know why it's stuck. I can't do anything. We have a new pitcher here. This one will be swung at. I can't even... Can't even follow the ball now. Okay. This is going great, apparently, for some reason. Yeah. Soccer Dreams to the plate. Okay, we might have to leave for a second just to get back. Yeah, alright. And, okay, they turned double play right there. Alright. See if we can just leave and get back in. Maybe it'll fix it, because mouse just... Okay, now it's back to normal. Why did you stop working the first time? I don't understand you. Nope, not 8. What is it, 5? Yep. Okay. Alright, so 0-2. No one on base, 2 outs. Top of the 8, Minnesota's still down. And looks at that one for strike 3. Oh yeah. That's the one thing I gotta do because copyright. Bomb in the 8th now here for San Francisco. What strap? I'm streaming on my computer. Alright. Alex to the plate here to lead off for San Francisco. And we'll be seeing a new pitcher at the mound for Minnesota, it seems. Or will we? So the pitch count reset. So it would look like we'll be getting a new pitcher. Yo, Alex. We'll swing at the first pitch right there for strike one. All right, let's just quickly see. Soccer Dreams is now on the mound here for Minnesota. Here we go. 0-1, swung on now. 0-2 on the count here to Alex. The 0-2 pitch to Alex. And here it comes. Inside, just going to miss the zone. 1-2. One, two, the pitch. Swung on, strike three. Here comes Gio to the plate. So here we go, first pitch to Gio. This one gonna be swung on and foul. Oh, one on the count here to Gio. And the pitch. This one high. Looked at 1-1 now on the count. Here we go. 1-1. The pitch. Swung on by Gio. Now it's 1-2. One, two, the pitch. Inside. Looked at 2-2 now on the count. Here we go. 2-2, the pitch. Outside, swung on, hit high left. But it will be going foul into the stands. Two. Here's the pitch. This one gonna drop. And it'll be a complete full count. Well, no, not the complete. It's the 3-2-1 count here to Gio. 3-2-1, the pitch. Swung on! Strike three! Here comes Zoe. 2 outs. No one on here for the Jailbirds. Here we go, first pitch to Zoe. High outside, but it's in the zone. Strike one. Here we go. 0-1, the pitch. Gonna be low, just missed the zone. It's 1-1. On the count. Here's the 1-1 pitch. This one swung on out to center, and it will be caught to send us to the top of the ninth. Blizzards, 1 ties, 2 takes the lead. It'll be Void leading off, and on the mound, it looks like it'll be Alex. If I'm correct with that. Yep. Alex on the mound, top of the ninth. Game on the line here for Minnesota. Here we go. First pitch to Void. This one going to be swung on, strike one. And the ball has not left the park all game. And the only run has come off of a bunt. 1-0-1 swung on now. 0-2 to Void. It's 0-2. Here comes the pitch. Outside, looked at. Strike three. Here comes Roy. Jailbirds now 2 outs away from winning here on opening day. Roy to the plate. And Roy will swing at the first pitch. Strike one. 0-1 on the count here to Roy. And this one will be looked at for strike two. Oh, 2, the pitch in the dirt. 1-2. One, two, the pitch outside. Looked at again. Strike three. And now Zach will be the last hope for Minnesota. And it'll be looked at by Zach for ball 1. It's 1-0. 1-0 pitch. This one just going to be inside the zone high. It's 1-1 on the count to Zach. 1-1 the pitch. Swung on. Now it's 1-2. One more strike, and San Francisco wins on opening day. 1-2 the pitch. Swung on. This one grounded. Second base. And he gets them out. And the San Francisco Jailbirds will win at home on opening day. So that is going to do it for us, ladies and gentlemen. Our final here from San Francisco, California. The Minnesota Blizzards 0, San Francisco Jailbirds 1, here on opening day of Season 5 of the IPU. Well, folks, I believe that is where we will conclude this one. And here from San Francisco final, Blizzards 0, Jailbirds 1. Representing Team Motion, I'm the Cowboy Crab, saying so long, everybody.